not telling you again. What you need is just a slap around to make everything stop and kill the fall when you come back down. I'm not everything you want, I'm just a tease. Maybe I'm out of touch. You could tell me what you want, I'll give it to you. Maybe you think too much, 'cause you're Hollywood, you never should. We never talk anymore. With your high heels on, you kill the sun. I'm not your friend anymore. I'm so sick and tired of everyone telling you what you want. I could never keep track of who's gonna come when you start waving your magic